Hello guys, welcome again in our online classes. We live on the earth and there is a lot of air around us. Air is a mixture of colors, less gases, so we cannot see air. The layer of air above the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, you all know na atmosphere. So let's us start our next chapter, chapter number 8, winds, storm and cyclones. Okay, in this chapter we learn about the winds, storms and cyclone. Clear? Okay, the atmosphere exerts a pressure called atmospheric pressure due to weight of air contained in it. All the phenomena such as winds, storm and cyclone etc. occur in the earth atmosphere. In this chapter we will study the formation of winds, storms and cyclone and their effect of. Before we go further, okay, we will discuss the two important properties of air, which are air exerts pressure and air expand on heating and becomes lighter. Yeah guys, what is air exert pressure? Yeah, the continuous physical force exerted on an object or against an object by something in contact with it. It is called a pressure. Okay, air exert pressure. Actually, air exert pressure in different ways under different situations. For example, air enclosed in a container. Okay, exert pressure. Air in the atmosphere around us exerts pressure and moving air is also a exert pressure. So, we will now describe the pressure exerted by air under different conditions in detail one by one. Okay, air is a mixture of gases. Yes, some facts you need to know about air. Like, first point is air is like a fluid and it takes up space. Air has a weight. Air exerts pressure. The earth atmosphere is made up of many different gases and air can be compressed. Clear students? Okay. So, air is a mixture of gases. Air is made up of teeny particles called molecules which move around quickly in all directions. Okay, so the moving air molecules or a gas molecules are so small and that we cannot see them. So, if we put air in a closed container, yes, say a balloon, so then the fast moving air molecules collide with the walls of the container and exert a force on the walls of a container from inside. Yes, a little example is there. Take a rubber balloon and fill air into with mouth. We will find that on filling air the balloons get inflated. Inflated means expand and becomes bigger in size. Okay. So this can be explained as follows. When we put air in the balloon, then the number of molecules in the balloons increases. These air molecules cause collisions with the rubber balls of balloons and create air pressure. So, the air pressure acting on the thin rubber balls of the balloons from inside causes the balloon to expand and get inflated. Okay, so just like balloons, a football also get inflated when air is filled in it. So, the football gets inflated because the air filled in it exert pressure. Clear students? Yes, it is the pressure exerted by filling in a bicycle tube which keeps the tube tight and makes the bicycle tire feel hard. The two observations which tell us their exert pressure as follow. First is when air is filled into a balloons and second one is when air is filled into a bicycle tube, okay, with a pump. Yeah, atmospheric pressure is the air pressure which is exerted by the weight of air present in atmosphere above. Okay. Okay, activities to show that air around us exert pressure. Okay, so take a tin can and put some water in it. Okay, heat the tin can by using a burner of boil water so that steam is formed. This steam expel all the air from inside the tin can so that when water is boiling there is no air inside the can. The whole can is filled with steam. A tight cork is now filled in the mouth of the tin and heating is stopped. We now pour cold water from the tap of the hot in the can. On pouring cold water, then the tin can collapse inwards if a large force acting on it from outside and when crushed it. Clear? These observations can be explained as follow. Where first, when the water is boiling, steam is formed in the tin can. Okay, steam has pressure. The steam pressure acting from inside the tin can balance the air pressure. Okay, acting on a ball sides of tin can from outside. Clear? And hence the tin can does not get crushed. Clear? So when a tight cork is put on the mouth of the tin can containing steams and then cold water is poured over it. Okay, then the hot steam inside the tin can gets cooled, condensed and form water, and water vapor is a very low pressure. Thus, on cooling the pressure inside the can decrease too much and it cannot balance the large air pressure, okay, acting on the tin can from outside. So the large air pressure or atmospheric pressure outside the tin can crush the tin can inwards. Clear? So the crushing of tin having very low pressure inside the source. The experiments or existence of a large air pressure. Clear? The atmospheric pressure around it. So this activity contains that air around us expel pressure. Clear? Yes, it is due to the pressure exerted by moving air or a wind that the leaves of a tree, flags and banner flutter when the wind is blowing. A long strips of cloth displays advertisement and called banner. A large number of board usually displayed advertisement is called a hoarding. Okay. Yes, while riding a bicycle, we find that it is easier to move the bicycle forward if the wind is coming from our backside. Yes, while rowing a boat in the lake, we find it easier to row the boat forward if the wind is coming from behind us. Yes, when we are flying a kite, then the wind coming from our backside helps. This is because the wind coming from our backside strikes the kites and exerts pressure on the kite to make it fly higher and higher. Yeah, hot air and warm air means lighter and cold air. Okay, so hot air is lighter than cold air. Hot air is lighter than cold air. Okay, so we have just studied they are expand on heating or occupies more space. So hot air is lighter than cold air. Now when air gets heated at a place, it expands, becomes lighter and rise up in the sky. In other words, hot air or warm air rises up. So we will now describe an activity, okay, to show the hot air is lighter than cold air. Clear? Make two paper bags. of exactly the same size. Hang the two paper bags in the inverted position, okay, on the two sides of a light wooden stick with the help of a short thread. Okay, tie a piece of thread of a middle of the stick. Clear? The other end of this thread is tied to hook, okay, in the roof of a verandas. Clear? And the wooden stake with two paper bags tied to its two ends will hang like a common beam balance. Initially, the wooden stake is perfectly horizontally, showing that two paper bags contain a equal mass of same air. Clear? Yes, put a burning candle below the open mouth of the left side paper bag. That after sometimes the left side of wooden stick goes up, showing that it has become lighter than the right side. So the observation can be explained as follows. When a burning candle is placed below the left side's paper bag, the air above the candle flames gets heated. The hot air being lighter rises up and fills the left side paper bag. Clear? Since the left side paper bag now contain hot air and therefore the left and wooden sticks become lighter, moves up. Okay. An example, the fact that hot air is lighter than cold air and rises up is utilized in launching hot air balloons. Okay, smoke always rise up. We should buy a house having windows as well as ventilators.